Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple yet elegant fall centerpiece wreath. So let's get started. Now we're starting with this kind of ugly wreath that we've used and reused, and I'm going to start it off and it's going to still be beautiful when we're done. So I'm going to take my peony and I'm going to just push that into the into the wreath. And then I have this pretty burlap flower. I'm just gonna put that in over here. And my grape leaves, I'm gonna put those in here. So you see we're covering up all of our ugly spots. And now I'm gonna just take this and put this in over here. And I'm gonna take these grape leaves and put them in over here. And this I've already put in. I'm gonna put that one in, and then I'm gonna take my last peony and I'm gonna put that in right over here. Just kind of push that in there. So now we have everything put into our wreath. Oh, whoops, I need my other grapes. I'm gonna put those in here. So now that we have everything in our wreath, I'm gonna set it aside. So now we're gonna make the bow for the wreath. So I'm gonna start with my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm folding it in half and I'm just gonna lay it down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take these tails that I've pre-cut, fold them in half to find the center, and just kind of lay these into my Bowdabra, going in opposite directions. Then I have another tail, and then I'm gonna just lay in some of my wreath ribbon, and take my other tail here. We're just kind of putting them in all different directions, laying another piece of my wreath ribbon in here. Then what I'm gonna do is make a big bow for my wreath, and I'm just gonna twist it and scrunch it in. Then I'm gonna fold it back, twist. So we're just gonna make a really big bow. Now, if you're not familiar with Bowdabra, the reason I'm twisting is so that the inside of my loop stays, the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So I'm just gonna fold it and scrunch it in, then fold it back and twist, scrunch it in and fold it back, twist and scrunch it in. And I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'm sort of graduating in on my bow as I make it. To my bow. So we're going to make some smaller loops in here, bring this back over, and just finish right here with this little loop. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and just give everything a really good scrunch one more time, and then take my Bowdabra bow wire. And the reason I always fold it in half, because now I have a slip knot. So I just pull the two ends through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Take it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And then I'm going to just puff out my loops by pulling them in opposite directions. And just bring these here in opposite, make sure you can see my pretty tails. Just fluff it out. And then I have also, then what I'll do is bring my wreath back over here, and I'm gonna just tie or glue this onto my wreath. And now you can see we've pretty much covered up all the ugly spots. And then I have this wonderful Luminara flameless candle, which we will just sit right here in the center of our centerpiece. And you have this absolutely beautiful centerpiece, and so simple to make. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're told all the time when we have a new video. Follow us on Facebook and comment and let me know what you think about this video.